Hi guys, welcome to study vlog number 2. Today my friend raised a question which is quadratic formula in Sec 3 E-Math. So today I'll be going through just that, and the objective will be able to find out how to solve this equation. Okay, first of all, some of you might not know, but there is like a song for the quadratic formula, so I'll sing it. Okay, it'll be x equals to negative b plus my square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so this is what we call the quadratic formula. So how do we know which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C? Okay, so according to like math, A is your first number or the coefficient of x squared. If you all don't know, coefficient means the numbers before the letters. So basically, like coefficient of x squared means it's, like in this case, 3. Or if it's the one above, this case would be 1. Okay, so it means the first numbers is A. Okay, so we put that in. So let's use like this equation for example. We all must write down A equals to 1 because you don't see any number in front of the x squared. Okay, then how do we know what's B? Just like A, B is the second number, so it's the second number in the equation too. So let's say like x, coefficient of x alone, so it means the number before, and that would be 6. So we write here, comma, B equals to 6. Then C over here is the remaining number, the one without the letter. As you can see, got no x or y or whatever, so it will be 3 in this case because we're using the first example. So C equals to 3. Okay, now we sub in. Okay, what do I mean by sub? Sub in, basically, let's say since 2 is equals to since A equals to 1, you will write 2 times 1 instead. Okay, so let's sub it in slowly. Okay, x equals negative b. So since 6 is our b, we'll have to make it a negative, so it will be negative 6. Plus minus, it means it can be a positive square root or a negative square root. Okay, but in this case, in the quadratic formula, you must write this symbol. It's basically like a T with a line at the end. Okay, so it will become negative 6 plus minus square root. Okay, b square, so our b is a 6 as we all know, and we have to put a square, so it would be 6 square. Okay, then minus 4. Our A is a 1, so we'll sub in 4 times 1. Then we must also times it by C, which is number 3. So we will also sub in 3. Okay, then we divide it all by 2a. So 2 times a, which is 1. Then we'll work our way. So negative 6 plus minus 36 squared is 36. And then negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Okay. Then it's over 2. Then negative 6 plus minus 36 minus 12, which is 24. Okay. Then after that, we simplify it, or you can leave your answer like this. Okay. But I want to teach you all a special method. Okay. I want you all to pull out your calculators. Okay. I want you to turn it on. I want you to press menu. Press menu. Then after that, press 5. Then press 2. Then press 2. You should be seeing something like this: x squared plus x plus. Okay, so basically treat them as your A, B, and C. Okay, sorry, I dropped my pen, my stylus. Okay, so as we all know, A equals to 1, B equals to 6, C equals to 3. So we put in here, let me use a different color. 1, 6, 3. Okay. Then you just press the equal sign in your calculator, and it should give you negative 0.55051 or negative 5.4495. Okay. You usually leave your answers in 5SF if the question needs you to continue using this answer for like a following step or a question. But if this is like the final answer, then you need to make it 3SF. So this would be negative 0.550 or negative 5.45. Okay. And you must die write 3SF because it's in the 3 significant form. Okay. So that they know that is your final answer. And why do this one have 4 numbers? Because anything in front of the decimal point that is, and if there is a, okay, wait, let me rewind. If a 0 is in front of the decimal point, it's not considered a significant figure. Okay. Which is why we look at these 3 numbers is the 3SF. Okay. So let's try this question. It's about the same thing, just that A equals to 3, B equals to 6, and A equals to 3, B equals to 6, and C equals to 2. Okay, so let's key it in the calculator again. So we write 3x squared plus 6x plus 2. Hold on, let me key it in the calculator. So 3 plus 6 plus 2. That would give us negative 0.4225 or negative 1.5774, which round up is negative 0.423 or negative 158 SF. And that is how we solve quadratic formula. Okay? Bye bye and thank you.